Hey, this is Grow It Build It, and today I'm going to tell you how to grow grass seed, how to germinate it. This is a real easy thing to do. You don't need to make it too complicated. All grass seed needs to do to germinate is good contact with the soil and moisture, like not sopping wet, but just damp. I just ripped out some bushes, and now I am going to break up the soil a bit with a metal rake. Now, you don't have to rake this up too deep. A quarter inch is plenty. Again, you just need good contact with the soil. So loose soil is what it likes to have, and that way it can kind of embed itself in there. Once you've done that, it's time to spread your seed. Grab a handful and start broadcasting it. I just take my handful and just shake it like that. Once it looks pretty good and salt and peppered, I move on to the next area. And you just keep doing this. If you see areas that seem a little thin, go ahead and put some more, but one seed every quarter inch, half inch is pretty much enough. Now you got to mulch it. Most people use straw or hay or something like that. You can buy that from Lowe's and Home Depot. I like to use grass clippings because it's free and it works just the same. You just need to get a good layer of it on there. This is going to do two things. It's going to help retain moisture, and it also will stop the birds from eating the seed. But this is basically all you have to do, and then water it every night. If it gets blasted with the sun all day long, you may have to water it more frequently, but you shouldn't need to water it more than 30 minutes at a time. After a week or two, you should start to see germination. Don't be afraid if it doesn't look completely full then, or it's patchy. It just needs more time. Not all the seed is probably germinated. This is 2 weeks after I sowed the seed, and it's coming in. Now you can see some areas where I had a whole lot of seed or maybe a little more mulch, and it just germinated that much faster. But if you just keep watering, it'll get fine. A month later, it's almost blended in except for around the outer ring, and 2 months later, you pretty much can't tell a difference. So that's it. If you got questions, ask them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. Thank you guys very much, and have a good one.